Hello, welcome to Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags in Jackson, New Jersey. Today is Sunday, August 12, 2018. I'm Howard Paul Shore, and behind me is the famous wave pool, as you can see. And today is my fourth day here. I've spent 4 days at the park. 2 days at the amusement park with the rides, and 2 days at the water slides. I came here yesterday, but unfortunately they had to close early because of the rain. So I came back the next day, which is today, my final day, and I finished all the attractions, and they're quite nice. I haven't been on water slides in years, but as you can see, we have a huge crowd here, and it's quite nice. And let me see if we can get closer to the wave pool and show you some more of what's going on here. It's quite nice. There's a lot of people here, and it's extremely crowded. Of course, when it's a hot day, people want to be by the water, right? And I was already in the water, so I'm not going back in the water. I've been in the water all day today. All right, here we go. I'm going to turn around the camera. There we go. So there you go. So if you're looking for a great place to visit, come to Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags in Jackson, New Jersey. You'll have a great time. Thank you so much. I'm Howard Paul Shore. Bye-bye.